Hello everyone, this is Opu from Opu Art. So here you can see the new project. This is called Spaceship Modular Pack 1. So you can see here five spaceship actually, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the asset pack is fully modular. I mean from head to body and connection point of the to the engine and the engine part all are modular pack. So the point is you can increase or decrease the size of the spaceship and modify according to your needs. Like this one, these five spaceship are examples. So you can add body parts or detach the body parts and make it as your own way. So this is the pack, and the color I used gray and kind of an orange color, so it's a combination. And also the emissive color, you can see the red. So this is and also the back side is bluish color. So the engine is firing up like a back blue color. So it's like a I always love to do the combination of I mean the warm and cool color. So you can see here this part is warm red color, here this part is yellow, and this part is actually I mean the blue. So inside of the engine is blue. So yeah, so this is actually I made it for some kind of RTS and the third person game, but not I'm not keeping in mind that you can use it in a first person game, but RTS and third person game will be a good fit. So this is from the Substance Painter, and I will continue. This one is in I will continue. This one is first is Unity, and then the Unreal 5.3. So Unity HDRP, you can see the second part. So hope you are enjoying, and you will continue watching this. And if you need this asset, you just contact with me, or you can leave a message that you want for your projects or anything, and I would love to have a conversation with you. So okay guys, I'll continue it in Unity. So thank you all for supporting me, and keep supporting my channel. I have a Facebook channel and also the YouTube channel. So keep watching. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm back with the second part of the spaceship project. You are seeing it from the Unity HDRP. So I made a scene like a spaceship. So you can see here the galaxy of that thing, and you can see the spaceship is here. So all the textures and all the materials are ready. So you can in this pack you can have space sky and also the spaceship here. This is the actual actual FBX file I used for this one, and you have the material. So you can see you can have the material. So you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 materials you can find here. You can find 6 materials, and also the textures materials, and yeah, the FBX, and okay, this is the textures. So you can find the base map, emissive, and the mask map, and also the normal map. So you have these material textures, and textures are obviously the 4K size. You can see here. So the original is 4K size, and then you can find okay, some parts is there. So this is the head part, this is the engine part, and this is the body parts. So okay, and this is the thing, and these are the presets. So you can, you can drag and drop any parts to custom build the spaceship. And also you can have this. I have the full spaceship build up also. Okay, parts. Oh, okay, this is prefab. Okay, you have the 5 spaceships. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 spaceship is there. So you can, let's say, can drag and drop one. So you can see here, you can drag and drop another one. So yeah, the pivot are centered. So you can, you can bring it from the asset store. So yeah, so this look pretty nice actually, the galaxy and the spaceship. You can see it from the bottom part, and also the, so you can use it according to your needs. And this is already done, and use it directly in your projects. So yeah, this is looking very good actually. Okay, so this is from the Unity. I will back in the, I will back for the last part. That is Unreal. So yeah, hope you are enjoying, and if you need this asset, you just contact with me, or leave a message that you need this asset. So yeah, I can make also the custom spaceship project asset for you. If you need, just contact with me, or you can purchase it from my asset store, and from me directly. So thank you for supporting, and keep watching, and keep supporting my channel, keep supporting my creation, and keep supporting my Facebook, and also the I have a YouTube page. So yeah, so just keep supporting me, and I hope you love my work. And yeah, so okay, and this is the second part is done. So I will be there with Unreal Engine package. So thank you. Oh, by the way, I will show one more thing, that shader and wireframe. So this is the wireframe condition. You can see here. You can see this is pretty low poly, very low poly assets actually. So you can easily, these assets can easily fit with your projects. So yeah, I think this is enough for part 2. I will continue it in part 3, which is Unreal Engine 5.3. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone, I welcome you all in my spaceship project last part, which is the Unreal Engine project. So you are seeing here the same spaceship and Unreal Engine. So you can see I just create a some kind of this effect, a reddish sky effect. Okay, so it's kind of presuming that another part of the galaxy or something. So as you can see, the same effect is there. I mean the the warm and cool color combination, and the 5 spaceship. So you can see, so like the Unity, you can also use this spaceship in your project, or you can make another one. So yeah, in your content drawer you can find the FBX, of the actual FBX of the spaceship, and then the textures. The textures are 4K, by the way, and also you can find the materials. So this is a body black, body back, body front, body segment, so engine joint and head. So 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 actually material is there. So if I just click one, you can see the material editor is there. So Emissive is there, and this is the material, the actual material. So you have the mask map. The combined map of the ambient occlusion, roughness, and metallic, and then the normal map, also emissive, and the base map. Okay, so you have the emissive intensity also here. Okay, so material are set and good to go. So if I can zoom, okay, if I can make full view of this project, you can see here. So this is the actual spaceship we're seeing. This one, this is the number, this is the biggest one, and from the bottom you can see like this. So this is the 1, this is 2, variation 2, this is 3, 4, and 5. Okay, very cool, looking very cool, and looking hot. That yeah, this is ready to go, or ready to enter in a galaxy, or enter in a portal or something. Yeah, or they come in some kind of the special zone of the galaxy, or space. So yeah, so looking pretty awesome. And this is for the last part. So yeah, if you need this asset, you can contract with me. So this is the last part from the spaceship project actually. So guys, I will come again with the new project. So if you need this, please contact. And I use a little bit of post processing there, so you can have bloom effect, and image effect, and also the vignette and the color correction effect. So yeah, like use it on your own way, on your own needs. So I just make a fast demo for this one to start up. Okay, so this is goodbye from Oppo. I will just bring another project. So this is the first one, Spaceship One. I will bring Spaceship 2, 3, and so on. So till then, bye, and I'll come again very soon with a new project. Have a nice day, everyone, and keep supporting me, and keep seeing my project, and keep contact with me if you need this asset. Thank you.